Hey boo, I know it's been a minute, but it's Nailah and I am back. So we're just gonna hop right into this tutorial. Right now I have an old wave former set. The humidity got to me, but because I want to keep all this length, I'm not gonna wet my hair. So I'm just using my leave-in conditioner by As I Am. Right here, I did part my hair in half, and then just the top half. I tried my best to do these parts. I am not a professional, but this is where I'm gonna put the buns, and then I just have the two hanging pieces in the front because I don't know, it's something I always liked. And then I just separated some smaller pieces on the side. Up next are the buns. I already went ahead and I started to put my ponytail in. Now I use hair bands that do not have the little metal piece on it to reduce breakage. I'm just gonna wrap this around my hair like 6 times just to secure it and repeat that step on the other side of my head. And you know what? I thought it looked really cute like this. You know, you could leave it like this, but my hair tangles up a lot, so I put it in a bun. Right here, you see I am not using any water on my hair because I don't want it to shrink too much. I just did my leave-in conditioner enough to add some moisture back to my hair. I did a slight finger detangle, and now I'm just going to twist. Now you could opt and do a braid for this section or not have it at all. But throughout this entire video, I am going to share with you ways you could even customize this style and do something a little bit more funky or a little bit more original than doing this exact hairstyle. As for the ends of my hair, it doesn't matter if I'm doing twists or braids. I always add extra product to the ends of my hair because 1, it is the oldest part of your hair, and 2, it makes it easier for me to twirl the ends so I have a really cute curl at the end. I repeated that step on the other side of my head, and since one side dried faster than the other, my hair might look uneven, but no worries. At the end of the video, or pretty much by the next day, my hair evened out. But as for the sides, I attempted to do cornrows. I'm not a professional, so if you can't cornrow, you could do flat twists or single braids or twists on the side. And customize if you like. If you don't like hair jewels, you could leave them off. If you love hair jewels, add as much as you like. I absolutely love gold. And I also had these clear beads left over from my box braids, which I do have a video for. But I secured the ends, added my accessories, and that was it. As for the buns, listen, my hair tangles very easily. It's ridiculous. With that being said, before I make my buns, no matter what hairstyle, I make sure I twist my hair first to reduce any shrinkage and tangles and wrap the base of my bun, get some bobby pins and shape them. Right here, this is just me trying to figure out how I would like my buns to be shaped. I repeat this step on the other side, and that is the majority of the hairstyle. One bun down, another bun to go. I'm repeating the same steps just as the other side: twist, wrap, shape, and bobby pin. Some pointers: I personally do not like edge control, or if I ever use edge control, I use a very small amount. But if you have natural hair like mine and your edges are a little fragile, I suggest wetting your hairline, adding some castor oil, then using your brush to brush your edges back or shape them however you want. And believe it or not, castor oil does a great job of holding down my edges. That's just a few pointers. I'm still here accessorizing. You could get these at your local beauty supply. I got the gold threads and the beads from my local beauty supply. I've had them for years now, to be honest. Another way I apply the threads, especially to my box braids, is this routine right here. I just wrap it at the base, and then for the rest, I treat it like I'm making a regular braid. A lot of people like to just wrap it around and do a spiral design, but I love this web design that I get. As for the ends, I shape it, well, girl, did I just not shape it? I tie some knots, and then you're gonna see that later I use a pair of scissors to cut the excess off. Repeat that to the other side, add some more hair jewels, and that is it. But I did not like how frizzy my hair looked. So in the next few clips, you're gonna see me break my hair into half in the back. I believe I did put some hair leave-in conditioner on my hands just to slightly dampen my hair and made some braids. Then the next day I had a more uniform looking braid out. Just as a heads up, the less product you use, the faster your hair dries, which is why I used a very small amount of leave-in conditioner only with this style, so I could just mold my hair a bit better and create a more defined look and reduce frizz. Because listen, if I used water and leave-in conditioner, my hair would not dry for about 2 days. It's that serious out here. But comment down below, just out of curiosity, how long does it take your natural hair to dry on a regular day? And that is it for this video. Again, I am not a professional stylist, but I did my best and a lot of people complimented this style. If you recreated this look, let me know, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and I will see you soon.